If you're experiencing connection errors 2026 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you restore your internet connection and get back to gaming. Step 1. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Begin by completely powering off your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select power options, and then choose turn off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network is functioning properly. Test the connection with another device, like a smartphone or computer, to confirm that the internet is working. If other devices are also having issues, restart your router. Step 3. Forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Go to the system settings on your Switch, select Internet, then Internet settings. Find your Wi-Fi network, select it, and choose Forget Network. After that, reconnect by selecting the network again and entering the password. Step 4. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your system software is up to date. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select System Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Step 5. Change DNS settings. If the problem persists, try changing your DNS settings. Go to System Settings, select Internet, then Internet Settings. Choose your network, select Change Settings, and scroll down to DNS Settings. Change it to manual and enter 8.8, 8.8 for the primary DNS and 8.84.4 for the secondary DNS. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors 2026 on your Nintendo Switch. If the issue continues, consider contacting Nintendo support for further assistance. Happy gaming!